Welcome to our quick start guide for the Access Manager Suite software, AMS, by JakinID. We'll walk you through the key steps to get AMS up and running, ready to simplify your enterprise identity management? Let's get started. Introduction about AMS. AMS from ACTAtek is a dynamic identity management platform available for both on-premises and cloud deployment. It boosts efficiency, security, and catering to time attendance, access control, and additional modules like visitor, healthcare, and guard tour management. It offers a unified solution. AMS web-based and integrates seamlessly with various application and databases, ensuring robust data handling and redundancy. Synchronization with ACTAtek devices ensures data integrity, security, even behind firewalls or VPNs. Its scalable licensing and 30-day trial provide flexibility and easy integration, with no need for separate module subscriptions. Introduction to AMS installation prerequisites. Before installing AMS, it's crucial to meet the system prerequisites to ensure optimal performance and stability. The effectiveness of the AMS server depends on the number of connected ACTAtek devices. Initial specifications cater to basic capacity, but larger deployments might require more powerful PCs or servers. Verifying these prerequisites is key for a smooth AMS implementation and its scalability in your organization. The provided initial hardware and software specifications for AMS are designed to fulfill basic capacity needs. Setting up a new Access Manager Suite software. The setup process for a new AMS can be divided into three main parts. 1. Database. Prepare or install a database server for AMS. 2. IIS web server. Install necessary Windows roles and features. 3. AMS installation. Install and configure the AMS. Let's delve into each step to install and configure the AMS software effectively. Set up database for AMS. Choose existing database server. If you already have a database server installed and operational, please proceed to the next step. Install new database server. If you do not have an existing database server, you will need to install a new database server. Scan QR code for SQL Server installation guide. Or please refer to Microsoft website. Install AMS in Windows 10. In the Control panel, select Programs to view installed programs and features. Click on Turn Windows features on or off within the Programs section to manage additional features. A new window will open with a list of Windows features. Here, you can select the boxes next to .NET Framework and Internet Information Services, IIS, to install these features. For a visual guide, refer to the tutorial video. Begin by selecting the necessary roles and features for AMS installation. Ensure that you choose the components relevant to your AMS system requirements, then click OK to start the installation. Be patient, it may take a few minutes to complete. Wait for Windows to finish all requested changes. Once done, click OK to finalize the installation. Finally, restart your computer. Install AMS software. Once the necessary server and software prerequisites are in place, you can proceed to install the AMS software. New project installation. Scan this QR code to download the latest AMS for new installations. Existing AMS installation. Contact ACTAtek to obtain the latest AMS for any existing project installations or migrations. Now follow the visual guide to install the AMS software. After completing the AMS installation, open any web browser and navigate to the following URL to access AMS. Windows folder permissions for AMS. Post-installation, grant default app pool user full access to following AMS root folder. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has made the installation process clear and straightforward. To further assist your setup, please scan the QR code to download the AMS user manual. Should you have any further questions, send us an email at support@actatek.com.